Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may answer some questions you may have or clear some doubts in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Libras, today we have Fool in reverse, Emperor and Page of Swords. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are quite cool-headed about something. You feel deep down in your heart that you will be able to handle any situation in the right way. So you are not worried. You may see some difficult circumstance in your career or it may be in your personal life. But you feel that you are strong enough and you have all the skills and talents needed, and in your situation you know how things work because you feel that you have a lot of experience. You are very confident about yourself, about the way you can handle any situation. So that may be your idea or your point of view, but in reality you are being a little careless. You are not aware of the practical reality today. So it may be the reason for some difficulties in your career or in your personal life. You see yourself making the right choices each and every time, and you feel that this person is the one making all the mistakes. So you are confident about yourself, your skills and talents, and you are not seeing the whole picture. If you want to see the truth today, if you want clarity in your situation, you must see the whole picture, but you are not seeing that. You are just seeing your situation from your point of view, and that is the reason for some troubles. And though you are a very honest and a very reliable person, today something is blocking you from being really practical. It may be you are cheerful about something. Maybe you may have friends or family coming to visit you, or it may be close friends coming to see you today. So something is blocking you from being a very a very focused person. So you are quite careless when making some decisions in your relationship maybe, or it may be in your career. And the way you are, maybe it may bring this person you love a lot of doubts. So for some of you, this person is spying on you. They are finding out about you from your friends or family members, from your common friends, and they want to know more about you, maybe because they feel that the way you are, the way you are being very confident about your situation, or the way you stick to your side of view or your points of view, This person is quite worried. They may feel that you are not showing them enough interest, and they want to find out more about you, whether you are seeing someone, whether you are seeing someone else, and that is the reason you are behaving in this way, in a quite arrogant way. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Moon. So this card may mean that you may have a lot of dreams and goals. You are thinking about your life, maybe dreaming about your future. But if you want that future to come into reality, you must see for yourself what is happening. Practically, there may be some difficulties you need to resolve in this relationship. You need to bring in an understanding between you and this person if you want a honest, reliable relationship. But you are not doing that. You are not being practical. So something is blocking you today, Libras. Something is holding you back. Maybe you are someone really honest, but today something is blocking your vision. You are not able to see the truth. It may be because of this person you love. Maybe they have some secrets. They are hiding something from you. Or it may be your energy towards them. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. Wheel of Fortune. So in your work circumstances, things will fall into place. So if you feel that maybe in your circumstances everything was not going in a very good way, from now on destiny is going to make things go in a beautiful way. You're going to see success and prosperity, abundance. You may get a lot of opportunities. So just like wheels go up and down, that is the way things are going. So maybe it may be karma or destiny, whatever it brings. It may bring good news or it may bring bad news, but whatever is destined, that is what is happening in your life today, Libras. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the bigger card that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you and you need to let this magic work in your life. So You need to wait. Maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you, where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.